Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Girardi. I am the product specialist for Obsidian Control Systems. We are at LDI2023 and we are standing in the NETRON booth currently talking about the NETRON family of accessories. We have 4 new accessories we have introduced here at the show. We have our wall plates. These are passive wall plates offered in a 5-pin DMX female as well as a RJ45 Cat 6. They ship with the fascia plate and allow for easy installation. We also have our 2 new rack accessories. We have the brush plate to allow for cable management, as well as our blank plate that offers 14 pre-drilled out CNC'd ports that you can easily drill out and add D-sub size connectors. We have them installed here in the wall as well, so you can see what that looks like. If you'd like more information about these products, please visit obsidiancontrolsystems.com.